Notice the cross down there, down in the trees down there. What a beautiful sight. I'm back here. As the cross I just showed you, I just, I went for a run today, not to, not to be a rebel, but to go out and just recalibrate, is a new term, recalibrate to everything to be thankful for, and was smelling the trees, and there's a lot of nice people waving to each other, and just slowing down, and just taking it in. And God, thank you for your sun and for the sun out. It's a beautiful day, perfect day to be out. Just keeping our distance, but still taking out and slowing down, taking the time to enjoy what everything God has for us. I just really the cross is see it a lot as it's walk outside into the street by the house, and it's just down there peeking up through the trees. And I just keep thinking that as we walk outside, even if the whole world around that cross falls down, that cross will still stand. God still stands. God's going to get us through all this. And so I just hope that's a little bit of encouragement today. I'm trying to catch my breath from the run, but I just wanted to pop on and say hello. And I hope y'all are taking at least time to get out, get some fresh air, see something different than the four walls. I love y'all, and God bless.